Hart's tongue fern is very common in drier parts of woodlands in Europe, Asia and North Africa. Here it's like on a fairly dry woodland slope, so it's like sort of dry shade and lots of organic material. That's like its perfect environment. And the fronds are very long and thin and pointed, and it's in the asplenium group, like spleenwort and like some of the tropical ferns like bird's nest fern. When it has little baby fronds come out up in the spring, then you can cook those for 5 minutes and eat them. And they are very good for the digestion, and they're also good for the urinary tract, and you can sort of apply them for wounds or make them into something for treating wounds. They have quite a lot of uses, also lots of like coughs and colds and respiratory disorders you can make from tea, but of course you must be careful to get the right one and not to mistake them for some other ferns, because ferns do have a lot of different uses, and they do look kind of similar to each other. But these ones are quite distinctive with this big long frond like that. So they're quite sort of easy to recognise. And then they have the spores arranged like that on the back of the leaves. So they're quite easy to recognise. You get them in these big clumps, and they don't usually get bigger than like this. I suppose a little bit bigger sometimes. So that's about as long as they get, I guess. Yeah. And yeah, really nice little plants. Because when ferns start to grow in the woods, it's a sign that the woods is happy, and it's a whole nother load of different types of things that grow in the woods, and that's really good.